So I recorded this just to document my experience for the very first time putting on the FatShark first-person view goggles, and found that you do have a problem with equilibrium. You lose your balance. Your brain is thinking you're ascending, and your feet are still on the ground. So I do need to get a chair or something to keep myself from falling over. And the crazy thing is that you're unable to distinguish the first-person view reality from your own. I'm really impressed with how well you're immersed into the experience of flying first-person view. So a chair is going to be important so I don't fall down and hurt myself. So I think it was about 150 yards, maybe 200 yards from the takeoff place that I lost connection. Coming up here in just a second, and it has a 10-second fail-safe timer that kicks in. So I think it lost about here and went back home. It landed about 8 inches, I would say, from the exact place where it took off. So this revision of the firmware really did do well on the GPS upgrade, which that was part of the documentation. It says to fix some GPS issues.